Okay, guys, so today's video will be a short video. Today we're gonna talk about market orders, different type of market orders. I'm gonna talk only about the market orders which I use, but I want you guys to know this because this will be really helpful when you learn liquidity. Let's just jump into it, right? Okay, so there are mainly I use instant orders like market orders. So market orders are the type of orders where you just, for example, you just click on buy. Like over here, right now the price is over here. So instantly you will get into a long position over here. I hope you understand what is long position. It was there in the last previous video. Just go and watch it if you get confused. Okay. So you will just get into a market if you click buy over here. So this, say example, I click buy on over this price, 1528, 1528, 290. This is the price which I entered. So as long as I get go up because I press buy, I'll get profit, and as long as I go down, I get loss. So this is like instant order. You just directly enter into the market. It is fast execution. Okay. So and then there is sell limit and buy limit order, which I didn't know till recently. Not till recently, but yeah, something which people don't usually say, but it's kind of something which you want to learn, because if you learn that, only then you can understand liquidity properly. So what is happening? There's a big candle going on. I don't know what is happening. Maybe it's a news. I don't know. I think there's a news or something, or else usually it won't be like this. Some news is going on. Okay. So buy limit or sell limit order is the kind of order which is not executed. I was talking about stop loss and take profit, right? So it did not execute. It is not executed yet. So for example, say if the graph comes down over here, this red line, unless it comes and touches over here, I won't enter market. So if it comes and touches over here, I'll enter the market. I'll get enter a buy market. So that is called a buy limit order. So buy limit order is the order which you will put the price in the broker, whatever broker you are using. So I basically use MetaTrader 5 MT5. So uh, usually buy limit order is where you will just enter the market only if it touches. Enter a long market, okay, buy market. Enter a long market only if it touches the price which you have set. That unless it, for example, if it doesn't touch here, so you won't enter the market. It might go up like this directly without touching here. You won't enter the market unless it comes and touch here. It won't get executed. So this is called a buy limit order. So this is a pending order. Okay, just remember that. Just note it down: buy limit order and sell limit order. Sell limit order is the opposite. Unless you hit a price. Okay, for example, unless I hit this price, I won't enter sell. So it's like you don't have to wait for the market. Always look at the chart and wait for the chart to come and hit that point. So it will be really useful for you guys. So sell limit order is like you will enter sell once the price hits this point. So I'm just giving a random example. So example over here, I will only enter sell if the price goes and hits this point. So that is called a sell limit order. Those are also a pending order. So these are the mainly three ones, like instant order execution. I just call it as instant order. I don't know what it's really called, but instant execution. You just press buy and sell, so that you can directly enter the market. And then there is buy limit and sell limit order. You can just call it as limit orders, buy and sell. Okay, limit orders are basically uh, pending orders. Even stop loss is also kind of like a limit order, because, for example, on this, unless it comes and hits here, you won't get executed, right? In the previous video, I was talking about that. So, stop loss, take profit, and buy limit and sell limit orders are pending orders, which is not executed. Only the executed orders are the instant execution order, like market orders. Okay, like pressing buy, directly buy and directly sell. So yeah, so you need to understand this before you go on to liquidity, because if we are talking about liquidity, we are going to talk about buy limit and sell limit orders. So I hope you understand that, because this is really important when it comes to trading. So this is going to be a short video, so I'll end it now. I hope, and if you want to know, I'll also show you how limit orders is actually executed. So for example, this is my MetaTrader. So for example, I just want to enter a, see, this is market execution. This is just basically buy and selling. So pending order, you just click on pending order. See, buy limit order. If you want to put a buy limit order, see, you put the price over here. You just put the price unless the price and volume, unless the price comes and taps there, you won't enter into a buy market. I hope you guys understand. So that's all there is to today's video. So it is a small video. Next video, we're gonna talk about liquidity, which is the most, perhaps the most important thing you need to know about the markets. Okay. So I guess I don't know how much videos I'll put, but I'll try to make it short. But maybe it will be two parts or maybe not. I'll just give you two examples. Maybe I'll try what to do. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope whatever video I'm making you for you is helpful. And it will be helpful if you started watching from the start. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye bye.